Guys, Samsung's Galaxy S10 phone will be something else, which must be good news to all the fans that did not appreciate the blend of Galaxy S9 and Note 9 phones that were released earlier this year. The S10, meanwhile, is supposed to pack a few novel technologies as well as a new design that should extend that infinity display all the way to the corners of the phone. We already saw a bunch of reports suggesting that the Galaxy S10 screen to body ratio will be increased thanks to a brand new OLED screen design. And we have one more teaser from Samsung that the Galaxy S10 is getting a stunning screen design. As you can see in the image shared on Twitter by a long-time Samsung leaker Ice Universe, a device with an almost bezel-less screen is teased in the Galaxy Note 9's Android Pie beta. That's an exciting placeholder image Samsung chose for that particular tutorial because no Samsung phone looks like that. All Infinity Display phones have significant bezels at the top and bottom compared to the iPhone X phones. Samsung a few days ago teased a notchless all-screen design for the incoming Galaxy A8s that has a hole at the top, where you did usually find variations of the notch on other devices. Based on this, FidaHussain has also updated his design and the final look could be similar to this. This is for the first time in actual visual. Galaxy S10 leak is coming straight through the Samsung own software house. That's the kind of screen that's rumored to come to the Galaxy S10 next year. According to the other reports, that type of design however doesn't look like the phone used in the illustration as the hole is missing. The purpose of the placeholder image is to support next generation Samsung phones, many of which are supposed to ship with bezel-less screens and run Android Pie right out of the box. After that, Ice Universe also tweeted that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will use Samsung's self-developed world's first 7nm EUV dual-core NPU chip on Exynos 9820. One of the features of the AI chip is to enhance the camera and work with the ISP for the Galaxy S10 camera. In other tweets, Ice Universe seemed to confirm last week's report from Korea that said the Galaxy S10 wouldn't have an iris scanner as previous flagship because Samsung is placing an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the display. Samsung is going to unveil the Galaxy S10 at MWC 2019 in late Feb next year, according to a report from Korea, so there's a plenty of time to learn more details about its design. So, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.